Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use ChatGPT to design graphics in Canva. Basically, to connect, you're going to go to your name here, go to personalization or settings, then go to apps and connectors. If your Canva is still here, you're just going to connect your Canva account with your ChatGPT. And here, basically, you can type in the Canva GPTs, or I think you can just do it in the new chat actually now. So make me an Instagram post about my candle product on Canva or something like that. Okay, sure. Candle brand sweetie. I don't know. Okay, this is just at the top of my head. Scent. Scent. I'm just gonna do spicy chaos because that's still here. Tagline: sweet but spicy. Target audience: Gen Z. And it's going to basically connect to the Canva app, as you can see here. It does take quite a while. Oh, okay. It's not working right now for some reasons, but it should work when you connect it to your Canva. If it doesn't work, you can just still go to this Canva section under GPTs. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.